Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you a healthy, delicious and satisfying chicken Caesar salad. This salad is perfect for healthy lunch or enjoying as a light dinner. It's so flavorful, you won't believe how simple it is to make. And it truly is one of my favorite salads. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. To make homemade croutons, you just need 3 main ingredients: bread, olive oil and seasonings. Take any bread you like and cut it into small cubes. Keep it aside. There are 2 ways to prepare croutons. One is baking and the other one is pan tossing. In case if you have oven, then please use that. It will reduce half of your time. This entire recipe will be done in less than 15 minutes. If you are using oven, then adjust the temperature to 375 degrees for just 10 minutes. Now take a pan and add olive oil. You can also use butter here. Now add bread. Toss it and add garlic powder. Keep tossing it until you see golden brown color. Store your salad croutons in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Now croutons are ready for the salad. To make juicy and tender chicken breast, we need 6 ingredients. Take the chicken breast and keep it aside. Now take the plastic wrap, cover the chicken breast from top and bottom. Pound the chicken breast to an even thickness with a rolling stick. Now remove the plastic wrap and see how it is evenly flattened on all the sides. Now take a bowl, add chicken breast and 3 teaspoons of curd. Add water. Mix it well. And keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Buttermilk is capable of tenderizing the chicken than lemon and vinegar. Take out the chicken breast and apply garlic powder, chili powder, garam masala, cumin and coriander powder, salt and Italian seasoning. Spread it well and follow the same process to the other side of the chicken. You can cook this chicken in 2 ways. One is in oven and the other one is on pan. If you are using oven, preheat it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness or size of your chicken breast. Now I will show you how to cook on pan. Cast iron works perfectly for this. If you don't have cast iron, you can also use non-stick pan. Now take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Add our marinated chicken breast. Close the lid and don't move the chicken for a full 5 minutes once in the pan. Flip it once and don't touch again. Keep the heat to medium. Now lower the heat and cook for another 10 minutes. Now check whether the chicken is cooked or not. Finally, this is important. Let the chicken rest for at least 5 minutes before you cut it. When it comes to a juicy chicken breast, patience is a virtue. Let's prepare the salad. For this you need 5 ingredients. Take lettuce, cut it into cubes. Keep it in a plate. Now add cherry tomatoes. Now take the cooked chicken breast, cut it into pieces, add it to the plate. Now add cheese. Add croutons, Caesar salad dressing and egg. If you are a vegetarian or vegan, you can try this either with paneer or tofu. That's it, our chicken Caesar salad is ready. As always, thank you for watching our videos. Please encourage us by subscribing to our channel. If you like this recipe, please do comment below. Thank you.